Okay, welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda CBR 125R. It's a 2012 model, fuel injected, really nice overall. Beautiful bike in the right colours as well, in the Repsol Honda colours. Very popular with learners. Good commuter bike, actually not too aggressive, even though it is a CBR model. It's not really too aggressive on the handlebars. This one we've actually put new stickers on in the fairings, all that kind of stuff. They were a bit not great from the previous one. Had a new exhaust, a few other bits of bobs, service, a look through, everything like that. So front tire here is perfect, good condition. Disc is in nice condition up the front. Front mudguard is nice condition. Headlamp and indicators are factory. Same with the mirrors, same with factory front windshield. Everything is pretty original in terms of OEM spec. As you can see throughout, no aftermarket exhaust, anything like that. So it's pretty well nice nick wise. Overall, it's a great starter, learner, commuter bike, that kind of thing is what we find. It's got two original Honda keys with it. We'll go on to the mileage now, which is at 25,000. Overall, nothing really for this type of bike itself. Running and riding really nicely. 2012 rear indicators good as well. We have rear tires in good condition. The rear rack, seat, all really good, no rips or tears. Little bit of a mark here at the bottom of the tank. Tank grips on it, Honda Racing Team, HRC. And here we have here, rear chain and sprocket are good. Engine cover casings, plastics on this left hand side are all good as well. Show you underneath, nothing leaking, anything like that. Fairing inside, we have the radiator, it's actually good as well, no holes or anything like that. You can see as well inside here. That's it. Levers, everything all good as well. So that's really it for this little Honda CBR 125. And what we'll do is we'll go out and go for a spin and show you what she rides like. Okay, let's go out on the CBR 125R. Two original keys, turn her on, fairly simple. Just do the ignition and away you go. Clutch is extremely light and easy. And as I said, the first thing you kind of notice when you get on the bike is that it's not as aggressive as you might think it might be for these kind of sports bikes, or so-called sports bikes. They kind of made them to be kind of entry-level, commuter-y, kind of do everything bikes, you know. So it you don't have that oh, he's getting us to come out. You don't have that kind of really aggressive CBR 600, something like that. Well, very simple to ride, not particularly threatening. Going through all the gears. Revving up nicely. Oh, she's coming through this way, on the wrong side of the road, but anyway. Plenty of sound from the airbox, actually. I will say, that's coming through. Very easy to ride, going through all the gears, stopping, starting, all of that nonsense. And we'll just do a little turnabout here. The idle is very low. It's actually so quiet sometimes I don't even realize that it's on. But yeah, that's it. I mean, it's stopping, starting, brakes working, all the gears, everything like that. I think we'll go through the lights as well. Lights working well also. I think as well, people, when they see this type of bike, they think it's a bigger bike than it is also, if you're not cued into motorcycles, which is a good thing.
you know, for the learners who want to be looking like they're on a teeny weeny little thing. They want to be looking like they're on something cool, and certainly this is something cool. I know when I started riding first, it was something that was on my radar as to wanting to get on something like this. YZR 125 and that kind of ilk of motorcycles. The Hondas are very, very reliable, as you'd imagine. I'm going to pull in here to the left. There we are, and I'm just going to check the horn here. There's the horn working, just so you know. All the electrics are absolutely a-okay. Neutral light on the dash coming up fine. Idling very quietly and nicely, no rattles or anything to make note of. Front left indicator is working, you can kind of just about see that. Rear left working, rear right working, and the front right is not working, but we'll get that sorted, no problem. Brake light then also, I don't know if you're going to be able to see with my hand, but it is coming on there. So we'll just sort those two front headlamps. I'd say because we put the fairings on, it's just a connection thing more than anything, because they're fairly fresh indicators there, or a bulb or something, very simple. Anyway, that's been it for this video. If you have liked, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is also www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thank you.